to fix Instagram showing the same reels. If Instagram is repeatedly showing the same reels, then try these following fixes. First of all, restart the app and the phone. Close the Instagram app completely and reopen it. Then restart your phone to refresh system processes. After you do so, also try checking your internet connection. Simply swipe down the control panel from the top right corner of your screen for the newer version of iPhone. If you are using the older version, then do it from the bottom right corner. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Also try enabling and disabling the airplane mode if needed. After done, all you have to do is go to the App Store, then in search address bar type down the Instagram, and if there is any update available right next to the Instagram, then update it to the latest version. An outdated app may cause feed and reel issues. If you are doing same on Android, then you'll have to go to the Play Store and follow the same steps and update the Instagram. Now, once updated, all you have to do is refresh your Instagram Explorer and Reels feed. Open the Instagram app, and all you have to do is go to the Home tab or Reels tab and pull down to refresh. Once you refresh, you'll get to see newer Reels available on your screen. Also engage with different content like comment or share to reset the algorithm. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.